Kumusta mga ka-channel? Ngayon, meron tayong unboxing and at the same time, product review na rin. Maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagsubaybay. Welcome to my channel! This product received good news online in Shopee, Lazada, as well as in Amazon. Most of them were impressed. Some say it's comparable to the more popular and expensive brand which is Revlon. We are about to validate those positive feedbacks in a moment, so stay tuned lang kayo dyan mga ka-channel. Papasakaya sa atin to. I haven't opened this yet, fresh from delivery. This is my first time to try this product. Excited na ako and at the same time kinakabahan din kasi syempre baka masira yung buhok ko. So ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's go, let's do this!
Let's do this!
Una, syempre kailangan muna natin buksan yung package. As you can see, nakabalot yung box sa bubble wrap for additional protection during delivery. Thumbs up for that. So, ito na yung box. Hindi siya deformed. Unlike sa ibang reviews online, sabi nila doon, na-receive nila na yupi-yupi yung box nila. Basahin natin kung ano nakalagay. Hair dryer and volumizer. Achieve the look you want. And wow, meron siyang 24/7 live chat support. Now, let us see what's inside. It comes with a manual, a code, a glove, and 4 hair clips. And you have the main product. Medyo malaki siya from my expectation, about the size of my face siguro. Based on its outward appearance, I would say that it has a premium build and it looks durable naman. This model is gold. Meron din kasing pink version. This is manufactured by Ubiator, made in China. This company has numerous product line for hair dressing, from hair clippers to blower, you name it, they have it. With this size, it weighs 1.45 pounds. It doesn't feel heavy, pero it doesn't feel very light as well. One of the notable specifications for me is the power cord. It is approximately 2.5 meters long. You won't have to use an extension cord for this. Next is, it has an auto shut off feature after 1 hour of inactivity. For me, that is good. Hindi lang for safety purposes, it also saves energy. Kaya, thumbs up for that. So, ano bang ginagawa o ano bang feature ng product na to? Number 1, it is a 2-in-1 product. It serves as an hair dryer and volumizer. It dries your hair at the same time combs your hair into style. So you are doing 2 processes at the same time. Number 2, it is safe daw and will not damage your hair. It also has negative ions. Wow! Lastly, it functions as a hair straightener or curling iron. It is suitable for wet and dry hair. Wow! Proceed na tayo sa actual test. Picture muna para meron tayong before and after. Ito yung power button. You just need to slide the button to your desired setting. Merong 3 settings: cool, low, and high. So, i-try na natin siya. Ito yung cool. Yung low. Medyo mainit yung hangin sa low. And yung high. na talagang difference between yung air na lumalabas sa cool, low, and high. So we need to separate the hair into manageable sections. So ang pag-brush from the roots of the hair sa my scalp towards the end of the hair, inward. Try na natin.
A few moments later.
Alam ko na kung bakit meron siyang glove. Kasi medyo umiinit to, part na to, pero hindi naman nakakasunog.
One eternity later.
So ito na yung finished product. Tingnan natin yung before and after ng photo. There you have it. I am very impressed with this product. Para sa akin, I would highly recommend this product. Madali siyang gamitin and mabilis yung result niya. My overall rating would be 5 over 5. Again, thank you for watching this product review. If you like this video, please send us some love by subscribing to this channel. See you soon mga ka-channel! Bye!